What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all well. Um, we got a crazy start today because of we had news at 8:30, which is around here. Wait, 8:30. Obviously, this is what started the move, and then went down. I do want to see a continuation to the downside. Yesterday's price ended up just going all the way back up. Actually, this is daily wick midpoint, respecting that all throughout. And then price dropped. Uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't want to speak about yesterday, but we'll break even on the account because we took two losses yesterday. Let's see, can we potentially recover today? So let's just start on the daily. So I'm kind of leaning on sales today because obviously you guys can see prices already selling, having a nice downtrend already. We do have these nice relative equal lows like these ones, this ones here. I'm also looking at the midpoint of this, which is around like here. Let me show you guys, but I'm not gonna mark it because I'll just use the first value gap because it's there as well. So I might as well just use the first value gap. But I'm looking at the midpoint of this week. So I'm looking at right there, but I'm looking at I'll just use the first value gap or the midpoint of the first value gap. Ideally, this has been marked since looking at the source of liquidity. That would be very nice if guys can take out these. But if I were to sell and aim, I'll just keep it clean. I'll just look at this area right here. So, and then on the 15-minute, you see as guys we've been selling. I think we're done with this daily, but see how nicely it uses daily opening range gap there. But I'm gonna delete that. We don't need it. So I want to see potentially get a reversal, maybe back into this area. Just a bit of a retracement and market open before we potentially continue selling. So let's see what we get. Do we get a nice setup? Is it at first value gap? Today, seeing how volatile the market is, I think I'll be fast in the sense of I don't think I'll wait for the full 50-minute candle because I'm in for shorts, and usually on days like this when it's trending like this, it happens fast. So um I'm gonna wait. We'll see what the market gives us, and then see if we get a nice trade or not. So yeah, we have 5 minutes before the market opens, and we see. Oh, I think we're already gonna take out these lows for sure. Right there. I was looking at this one. So you have this one and the midpoint of this. I think we have a fair value gap there. There you go. Yeah. Let's see what the chart gives us, man, and then we work with that. So, yeah. Let's see what the charts give us. Ideally, I'm really looking at this. Like this ideal play. Honestly, ideal play. Like just letting it run over him. I'll try to have maybe a small position that maybe runs to this target and just leave it. Wow. Um, let's see what we got. Let's see. Into my DMs 1 through 10. Mm, Oh, da-da-da-dum-dum-dum. Let's get this paper. Ah, bigger go home, chat. Bigger go home. Mm. I think we might generally get that play, man. Yeah, but the London high and low, this is all the way to London, all the way up here. Opening reach gap, hella big. Don't even think we're gonna fill it. Obviously, like this is this is oof, 500 pips, bro. So that's not gonna be a bit realistic in it. Yeah, we have 2 minutes until market open. And let's see what this beautiful casino house has for us today. And I had just woken up from a nap not so long ago. Yeah, I haven't checked my. But the way I don't check this channel's analytics, bro, I don't even, bro. I don't like. I don't. I'm just looking at it right now because I don't know what he watches it. It's just me and myself. I see 30 seconds. How does it feel? There you go. That's our opening price. Right over there. Let's see what price does. Okay, it looks like we're already sweeping these. Damn, already fire on extended on the S&P, hey? So we get that first value gap. Okay, it's bargaining a bit. Okay, we're going for this. What is the value gap here? Ugh. How does it feel? Mm. Okay, so we get coming into this. You ready, go? Mm. No, that's kind of an up move. I thought you were gonna get a first value gap off this. We might get it when it breaks, maybe this. If it does wanna go up like that. But everything else seems to be wanting to go up except the Nasdaq, but not yet. There's that 830 candle. That's very important. One thing I've learned is that price usually comes for that 830 candle, bro. This is this one. This one that news got released. So you might want to count for this. Mm. Wait, what? Wednesday, 8th of July. Mm. Yo, like eating pips. Our quote unquote first value gap, but we don't really count this one as our first one as of yet. They're on extended now. Baby girl. Is that your bestie? What's the midpoint of this? Oh, whoa. The midpoint of the opening range gap is literally close to this. I wouldn't be surprised if price actually pushes to this. Wouldn't be surprised. Come on, child. Baby girl. Okay, we set this minor buy side. If she does it, is it gonna continue going higher? Mm, this. I don't know if we get an opportunity, but it might just go without us, bro. No lie. It just might have to. It just might just go without us. There's 5 minutes left until this 50-minute candle closes. And I know it's not gonna retrace back into this. There's no way. There's that 8-day candle. There's that 8-day. Mm, That's definitely pushing that, bro. So let's see what price comes up probably with the up here. And there it goes. I thought I did. I just hope there's a judo soon, and then prices are gonna continue going a little. But obviously, for that we have to wait and actually see what's happening. 'Cause we do have, I'm looking at this, yeah, we in this fair value gap, this coming. So let's just see if you're gonna have a nice reaction just off it. This kind of thing is about to close. Let's see what the next one goes. If we invest this, I'm selling. I'm not asking no questions. I'm selling. Man. Like I swear. I don't know what we counting as the first. Okay, we have this. Another world it will be too small to be a value gap, as I was taught. It has to be very small. I mean, this is only like 13 pips, but it did have like, I guess, a break. It's a bit of a shaky one. I'm not gonna lie. Ah, shaky one. It's a shaky one. This one is too small. This one is too small. This one is the only like proper big one. So I don't know. It's a bit concerning. Not gonna lie. So I don't know. I'm really thinking about it, eh? Uh, but we'll see what price uses as the day goes. Either one of the two. What's your price uses? Either one. Basically, I got cheap when I saw this. When I got an invest, I got cheap, bro. But not today. Yo, I got a bad feeling this. I got a bad feeling the second position. I'll show you guys. Look at this. It felt me like here, like, cause it jumped down. Look, I got a bad feeling my second position there. Look at that. And she just got filled here. Oh, it's whatever then. But hey, you know the drill. First TP down here, and then the other one, I'm gonna just put it. I can't see anything really. I'm gonna put it close to the midpoint. About the midpoint, I can't really see, but that's the plan. Hmm. I think that should be it. I put it just a little bit below. How does it feel? Okay, let me show you guys. This what I did. You want to see it go through this, not respect it. Um, so this is the trade. Um, TP1 right there, and then TP2 is just around down there. And look at that 15, but I put it, yeah, just around about there. Let me make sure I put it, find a nice way to measure it, right? It's a little bit. Okay. Okay, I got that second TP. I got it, Chad. I got it. I got it. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna leave it and pray that it all works out because we're having a reaction of that first Fabelli gap right now. So I generally don't know what I'm gonna count as the first Fabelli gap. It's kind of stressing me out, but I'm gonna stick to this one because the first big clear one. So let me invest it. I'm also looking at. I'm a, how does it feel? I would literally enter another position there. That's just middle. I did using the first Fabelli gap. So you guys can see that. I entered another position here. There you go. Where? entered another position, the event price went below that first fair value gap. So, but the TP is literally just this low. I'm not being greedy with that. I just put the TP by this low right over here. And then that runner, I'm gonna leave it for on here. I think the runner should be no, this one is perfect because this one got a bad entry. So that's my trade idea, boys. Let's see what happens. Um, I don't know where to put the stop loss of this position, honestly. But I put it up here, up here. 27, 27. Nah, I'm just a little bit above here. Okay, we're going back to one of my entries just down here. We're having a reaction actually off this. I'm gonna take a risk here. I'm gonna put my stops above this. That means I'm gonna move this one. Let's see what happens. If this goes bad, or I'm cooked, like I'm genuinely cooked. Jokes aside, I just might be cooked. I'm sure you guys, this is how it looks right now. That's so good, huh? Where I entered, you know how crazy that, oh my god. But I feel like Nasdaq has a personal vendetta against me, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It genuinely feels personal. I just might be cooked. I think I'm cooked, bro. But let's just let it play out. See what happens. Like Nasdaq is genuinely trying to cook me right now, bro. I'm already down $20 in that account. I don't even know if I might blow this or not. If this is done, $30. I just might my account might be blown if this doesn't go correctly. Let me check for you guys. Yo, I might just blow. I might. It's $20 plus 37. Where's the other one? Plus 12. Yeah, if this trade doesn't go well, I'm cooked, chat. I'm done. My career is over. My career is legit over. Like I'm done for. Um, but it's whatever. Also, if this trade does work out, I don't think I'm gonna be on the charts tomorrow, bro. I'm not gonna look at these charts. I need a break from them. Jokes aside. And if this trade does work out, I think we pass the funded account. Yeah, we pass the funded if big if this works out. We do end up passing the funded. Let's get it. The moment I see 120, we done, bro. I'm not putting myself to this. That's what's going on here. So we came back into this baby right here, and which is very nice. Very nice. I took a lot of heat there. Um, how does it feel? You put it at 77. I mean, 37 for a 1 is 200 reward. I think that still works. Let me see. Um, 50, 140. Yeah, that works. That works. That still works. Let's see what happens, chat. Let's see what happens. I don't like this color. You want to see body close below this. There's that. I think my network is tweaking. So just mind, don't mind me if you can't see anything because I can't see anything on my MetaTrader. Okay, now I can. Yeah. You're trying to nerf me, chat. I'm gonna put this one on. Put the main. Uh, reload 37. Which is this one? Put on break even. I put one of my positions on break even. The one that's coming all the way down here. The one that had a clean entry. I want to see price respect this, like this area right here, which is this and this value gap. I want to see price respect that. You just lower this risk a little bit. I'm going putting everything just below this. I'm putting everything like here. That's what I'm doing, so that we're not risking as much. Because what is at stake on this? There we go. I put all my stops literally just a little bit above this, so you guys can see that. You guys see that? I put all my stops there. So I'm risking way less. Like, let me see. I'm risking $2 plus 28 plus $11 plus 28 plus 73. No, not 73. Two, sorry. It's teasing, bro. It's teasing horribly at that. And the worst thing is doing it at one of my entries, bro. Come on, Nazzy. Come on, Nasdaq. If first TP can hit, we chilling. Uh, mm, it's doing it at the worst place, creating one of my entries. It's not a nice feeling. Like it really isn't. Uh, but I am confident because see how price is expecting the lower half of this. Just dangling around, just spend too much time and sponsoring to net first value gap and this opening range. Oh, I see that. Spawn is just being evil right now. I'm gonna deal with the heat though. I'm gonna deal with it. I'm gonna thug it out. The macro's almost over, guys. 6 minutes. 6 minutes of the macro. Price is being a dickhead. But we needed to drop aggressively. We need that aggressive drop. That's what we need. We need that aggressive drop. And it's not giving us that, man. I should have moved my stops back up. Maybe if I move them back up, it would want to go lower. You know what I mean? Because I don't know. It kind of makes sense. Is that your bestie? Not Kirsty. Baby girl. Okay, now we're back on drawdown. Okay, I moved two of them back up, but those one where I entered here, where I entered late, I left it where it is because I'm already risking $28 on that one. So if I do get stopped out of that, it's generally whatever. Because I can't risk to lose that much. Because it might just blow the account. But yeah, hopefully price does continue going lower. The macro's about to end soon. Yeah. It's looking shaky though. I'm not gonna lie. But the macro's about to end. Because we're struggling to break through that opening range gap below. I genuinely thought by now it should have been like here if it wanted to. But the market has different plans. The market has genuinely different plans. So if the macro's done and there isn't, just might have to close some of these positions, but not put myself on some risk because as you guys can see, we're having this value gap right here, and it has to inverse this if you want to see it go lower. If not, we cooked. We cooked. I can tell you that for free. We cooked. Getting a nice drop there. If you want to see it close, people. Beautiful drops. I don't even want to get excited because I don't even get humble. I'm not gonna lie. $650. Up $70. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh my God, Nasdaq, bro. Bro, Yo. And I'm gonna put this shit on break even, but honestly, if I lose after this, they can keep it. I'm not gonna lie. It has no reason to go up. No, I just didn't see it like that. I'm just gonna put break even. Because in my mind, it has no reason, bro. Especially if it doesn't respect us for value gap that we're in. We have no reason to be here. I'm not gonna put my mental health at risk. So if I get stopped out, it's whatever. How much? Yeah, 25. Put it all at that first entry. So yeah, let's see what happens. Like it has no reason, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Dun, 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 dun. You guys can see that. All of my stop losses are right here. Hmm. Okay, this is just unnecessary. I feel like closing this one. This one. Just like wow, nice. Like it has no reason, bro. So annoying. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna leave my stops the way they are. Sorry, I'm gonna leave everything the way it is. If I get stopped out, it's generally whatever. So I generally thought the first TP would have been hit by now. But you guys can see price action has, I don't know what it's waiting for. It has different plans. It generally has different plans. You just need to sweep this low, but it doesn't want to. So I don't know what to tell you guys. You're gonna have to let it play out. My stops, all of them are here, so I'm only risking. Let me check the math. Let me do the math real quick. I'm risking $28. Um, so yeah, I'm risking only $28 in this trade, and let's see if it works out. Let's see if it works out. One more peek before you guys leave. This way we add, and yeah, I'm not up at this price, but we have to let it do its thing. So hopefully it works out. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Take care. All those nice things. Hopefully by the time I post, maybe something will have happened. Or should I stay for a bit more longer? I could. I could. I'll stay for like 5 more minutes. I'll give it 5 more minutes and then I'm gonna hop off. Ugh, 5 minutes and then I'm gonna hop off. Also, just it's actually so perfect. Uh, we just need that low, bro. And I can have peace. Yeah, $40. That's it. $40. This is 35. And I know if it can come for this, it definitely can come for this. Yeah. Chat. Let me see. It keeps coming to the opening price. So first TP is like here, literally right here. It's not even here, dude. Like we being modest right now. Mm. Just letting you wait for your money, bro. I swear. Ah, bro, I got school to do, bro. I think I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna see you boys in the next one. Take care, man. I'm gonna just hop off here. Uh, this back and forth is just too messy for my liking. Here's a 5 minute. Nothing here. But we're having a slow grind down, though. A slow grind down. You see that? ha, 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 ha. So, I know, I know, I know. Yeah. Thinking about moving some of my stops below, some of them, not all of them, just like here ish. Yeah. How much time is left? Okay, we're almost hopping off. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. Mm, how many pips is this? Yeah, 170. And I think this video, I'll wait until the trade is done before I upload it, just so that obviously to have a real thumbnail. And then yeah, for work off that. Much time. If you upload. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully this works out. We're still in the trade, and yeah, we're still in the trade. So let's see how it pans out. Okay, price is right now shooting up. Yeah. Life is so long. I'm playing. Wait, training. Yeah, we're risking. Wait, 24, 28. Okay. If you lose like 30 something dollars if this doesn't work out. But all my stops are literally here. It's break even. Well, not really break even because this thing just shot up. Look at that. All my stops are where? They're right here. So I don't know. I don't know, Chad. So I don't know. Because I don't want to go to that where it just stops me out. And then it goes to my direction. I've dealt with that so many times this week. So I hope that's not the case. Eh? I really do. I'll be very upset about it. If not, I just let it be break even and let whatever happens happens and not care. But if I let that happen, the account just might be blown for real, for real. But yeah, guys, we'll see you guys in the next one, man. This has already been an hour and a minute, so this is where we're at. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Take care and yeah, cheers, cheers. Oh wait, we're having a nice drop. We're having a nice drop. Come on, come on. Come on, bro. Just let us leave with first TP. First TP. And it just doesn't want to let me go. Nasdaq does not want to see your boy win, bro. Uh, and I promise you, when I switch this off, TP is probably gonna hit. I promise you. Let me just hop off. Maybe if I'll hop off, it's gonna hit. Cheers, guys. See you in the next one. Video's already too long. Yeah. Cheers.